11 reasons why whiteboard animations will work for your business. Whiteboard animations are simple and focused. People tend to watch whiteboard animations till the end. Whiteboard animation videos are fun to watch. Whiteboard animations are memorable. Whiteboard animation videos can be placed anywhere. Viewers, fans, and customers share interesting whiteboard videos. People prefer to watch whiteboard videos on mobile as well. Whiteboard animation videos have high conversion rates. Whiteboard animations are the most cost-efficient ones. Whiteboard animations have the best return on investment rates. You can get a whiteboard animation video faster than a motion graphic video.